Hi, Rebecca. So my response to your TED Talk is that I agreed. I agreed because I believe that something should be done about the lives that are dying from these oil spills every day. Some ideas that I had were the idea that I found was crazy was how many lives have been lost during the horrific oil spill. There were 82,000 birds of 102 species, about 6,125 turtles, and as many as 25,900 marine animals, and a big number of fish were harmed or killed. There were also a lot of others, such as seahorses, crabs, oysters, and other creatures. Another crazy idea that I found out was that lots of habitats were destroyed, like underwater areas, including substantial habitats for the rare dwarf seahorse. The, the spill oiled more than 1,000 miles of shoreline, including beaches and marshes. This took a terrible toll on species such as seagrass, beach mice, and shorebirds. Here is a website that I thought you'd be interested, that I got my ideas from. I liked your TED Talk, and yeah.